Welcome to the Cat Sushi Masters, the best Japanese restaurant in town. I am Sensei Chef, recipient of a sushi technique handed down through thousands of years. And today is a special day. Today, 6 valiant cats will fight for the coveted title of Cat Sushi Master. But to do so, they will have to conquer the delicious dishes I will prepare for them. By all whiskers, I am growing hungry myself. All cats can fight, from kittens to venerable elders. The dishes will be presented by the special restaurant treadmill. The more pieces you see on it, the greater its value. And do not forget about the special ingredients. They may make the difference at the end. But to prevail and win these works of art, our feline fighters must first master the sacred samurai chef weapons: chopsticks, bowls, napkins. Between duels, fighters can train in the kitchen to obtain special items to use against their opponents, or ask for my help. Remember, be generous with wasabi. I cannot say no to it. For this challenge, you will need cunning, courage, and a stomach of iron. Are you ready? The kitchen is abuzz. The smell of rice is intoxicating, and the cherry blossom petals rain in the courtyard. I hope you do not suffer the spring allergy. Cat Sushi Masters is live on Kickstarter.